In a remote African village nestled deep within the thick, lush forests, an eerie mystery kept the villagers on edge. Every night, as the sun dipped below the horizon, eerie noises echoed from the forest, humming, giggling, and laughter. Fear spread quickly through the village. People stopped their nighttime gatherings and retreated into their homes. The village chief, unable to explain the noises, advised everyone to stay indoors at night and avoid the forest. A group of young men armed with weapons and blessed amulets decided to confront the source of the noises. As they entered the forest, the sounds grew louder and more frantic. They pressed on, undeterred. They reached a clearing where they discovered the source of the noises, a young, mad boy spinning and making strange sounds. The men realized the boy was no witch. Kofi approached, speaking softly. The boy stopped and looked at him with innocence. The villagers welcomed the boy, providing him with food